Welcome to CabiAI. Today, we'll see how to create a photorealistic render of your product inside your client's actual room in seconds. You designed the product and you colored it. Now let's see it in a real space. In the left sidebar, under the Visual Tools, we press Realistic Render, and the render window opens. The window gives you two ways: describe the room in words, or upload an actual picture of it. We'll pick Real Room Photo, the precise route, the one that keeps your room exactly as it is. Now let's upload the picture itself. We click the Upload area, pick a shot of the wall from the computer, and the image loads. Any everyday photo will do, up to 10 megabytes. Now, in the field Where to place it in the room, you can tell the AI exactly where the product should sit. We asked it to place the television in the open compartment. Look at the row called Colors. From the view, these are precisely the shades you painted the product with, and they carry into the render as they are. Want something else? Press Edit Colors. All that's left is the blue button, Generate Render. A real photo runs the advanced engine, and that is why it costs 2 tokens. And from here, the AI works. First, it analyzes the room and the perspective, then it places the cabinet in the space at exact dimensions, and finally, it applies the shades and materials you chose. Just don't close the window. And here is the render. Take the slider in the middle and drag it left and right. You see exactly what was there and what is about to be. On one side, the original photo. On the other, the room with your product inside it. Underneath the image, you get everything. Download, share on WhatsApp, add your logo, even another render in one click. And just to close the circle, this is how the product looks on your side in 3D, on the site, turning from every angle. That is the model we started from, and this is the render we made out of it, straight into your client's room. And that's it. From the product you designed to a photorealistic render in a real room in under a minute. Now it's your turn. Create your first render in CabiAI.